Hello everyone. Hello future fairy tale writers. Today I'm going to introduce you to a very classic story called The Three Billy Goats Gruff. Our goal today as future writers of fairy tales is to listen closely to the parts that make it so interesting and are classic to the genre of fairy tales. Let's join together. The title of the book is The Three Billy Goats Gruff. Once upon a time, there were 3 billy goats who were to go up to the hillside to make themselves fat, and the name of all 3 was Gruff. On the way up was a bridge over a river. Here's our bridge. They had to cross, and under the bridge, here's the part under, lived a great ugly troll with eyes as big as saucers, and a nose as long as a poker. Oh, there he is. I can really see it now. So first of all came the youngest Billy Goat Gruff to cross the bridge. Trip, trap, went the bridge. "Who's that tripping over my bridge?" roared the troll. "Oh, it is only I, the tiniest Billy Goat Gruff, and I'm going up to the hillside to make myself fat," said the Billy Goat Gruff with such a small voice. "Now I'm coming to gobble you up," said the troll. Oh, he looks scary. Poor little Billy Goat. "Oh, no! Pray don't take me. I'm too little, that I am," said the Billy Goat. "Wait a bit till the second Billy Goat Gruff comes. He's much bigger." "Well, be off with you," said the troll. A little while after came the second Billy Goat Gruff to cross the bridge. Trip, trap, went the bridge. To the other side. "Who's that tripping over my bridge?" roared the troll. "Oh, it's the second Billy Goat Gruff, and I'm going up to the hillside to make myself fat," said the Billy Goat, and his voice was not so small. "Now I'm coming to gobble you up," said the troll. Scary guy. "Oh, no, don't take me. Wait a little bit till the big Billy Goat Gruff comes. Oh, he's much bigger." "Very well, be off with you," said the troll. Just then came the big Billy Goat Gruff. Trip, trap, trip, trap, went the bridge, for the Billy Goat was so heavy, pesado, that the bridge creaked and groaned under him. "Who's that tramping over my bridge?" roared the troll. "It's I, the big Billy Goat Gruff," said the Billy Goat, who had had an ugly, hoarse voice of his own. "Now I'm coming to gobble you up," roared the troll. "Well, come along. I've got 2 spears, and I'll poke your eyeballs out at your ears. I've got, besides, 2 great big stones, and I'll crush you to bits, body and bones." And that was what the Billy Goat said. And so he flew at the troll and poked his eyes out with his horns and crushed him to bits and body and bones and tossed him into the river. Then he went up to the hillside. Joins his brothers. There, the billy goats got so fat that they were scarce able to walk again. And if the fat hasn't fallen off them, why, they're still fat. And so, snip, snap, snout, this tale's told out. I hope you enjoyed that, boys and girls. We're going to talk in a meeting closer, thinking about who is the protagonist, who is the antagonist of the story, and the setting, as well as what is the problem and solution. Get ready, writers. I can't wait to see how this story is going to continue to inspire.